Hello, this is Adam from Securacar, Stafford Auto Electrics. Just a quick video to show you this aftermarket reverse camera that we've installed to this VW Tiguan 2023 reg. So it works exactly the same as the OE camera. So if we pop it into reverse, we can also get the picture up there. Obviously all your front and rear parking sensors still work. I'm just gonna do the reverse in. Now this is a very high res picture on this. You don't get it with a lot of other camera systems. Some of them you get old-fashioned like newspaper writing across the top of the screen here when you put it to reverse, saying please beware of surrounding objects, etc. But this one's just a pure HD picture. I'll just reverse up here. So it's hard to give an exact image on the phone, but yeah, the picture of it's just like amazing. It's just like full HD. Probably one of the best pictures I've seen on a reverse camera, to be honest with you. I'm just going to draw it forward slightly and just pop it in. I'm just going to show you the camera that we've fitted. So this is the camera here. So basically it's a replacement number plate camera with built-in LED light, obviously for your number plate. Very smart job, very smart. Just give you one more quick demo. There's a vehicle over there. I'll just drive up to and well, reverse up to, so you can try and understand the picture quality on this camera. So it's an amazingly clear picture, clearer than my eyesight. Anyway, if you're interested in this system, give us a call on 01785 606 606 and we can go through your options and give you some prices. Thank you very much.